Hello everyone! Welcome to my new video. 2 days ago I finally switched from my exercise bike to my usual bike and I opened new season of cycling. It was a beautiful evening, I made many beautiful photos. This is why I want to paint study in Photoshop and let me show you how I was painting it. That's it, that's how I created this drawing. I have not painted in Photoshop in a long time, and I know that people hating on Photoshop right now, but I really wanted to use this program because, as I said before, I like lasso tool in it, and also I have many brushes that I don't have in Procreate. I wanted to create this specific effect of this neat, precise drawing. It is easier to make it in Photoshop than in Procreate. I was trying to make the same drawings in Procreate, but I didn't like how it looked there. The reason why I decided to paint in Photoshop is because I posted my drawings at Blue Sky, and I posted many of my old drawings that I made in Photoshop. I looked at my old drawings, became inspired, and decided I wanted to draw something in a similar style. Also, I wanted to say, I've been exercising on my exercise bike for a long time, and I felt that, hey, it would be so easy to come back to a regular bike. But no, yes, my legs are fine, but for some reason I'm out of breath when I'm outside or on a bicycle. Anyway, I enjoyed my ride because, as I said before, it was a very beautiful evening, and I should do this more, and maybe I should paint from life, and maybe I need my acrylic paints or watercolor paints and paint and draw from life. Also, yesterday I painted new acrylic portraits for 100 Sketch Challenge. This is Joel and Ellie from The Last of Us. I think Pedro Pascal doesn't look like I wanted him to look on this portrait, but I like how Bella turned out. I think this is a good portrait. And also, I don't understand why Bella receives so much hate. Yes, I get that Bella doesn't look like Ellie from, the game, but I think that Bella looks more Ellie than Ellie in the game, because I feel like Bella's face features much more suited for this character. Bella is more badass and have appearance more of a tomboy than Ellie had in the game, so I don't know why people so mad. Plus, when I saw Bella's appearance, I also thought about Renaissance painting, because look at this, look at the face features, pale eyebrows, huge round beautiful eyes, and thin nose and huge forehead. I don't understand the hate Bella receives on the internet. People can be very mean there, so I just don't get why people sometimes get mad at the things that shouldn't probably be mad. And also, I watched the second season of season 2 of The Last of Us. And for those who watched it too, I'm with you guys. I feel your pain. So yeah, all of these drawings I painted yesterday, and my eyes were bright red because when I paint for many hours, my eyes are so sensitive that my eyes hurt and become red. You know, some artists say things like the wrist hurt after many hours of painting. In my case, I paint for so many years that my wrist is already dead. Like, there's nothing. This wrist cannot feel pain anymore. it's already dead. So, like, my wrist is. But I'm glad that my wrist is so strong because I can paint for many hours and my hand is okay. Artists have different problems, I guess. But you know, when you learn about artists who were living centuries ago, some painters become blind at the end of their life because they were painting the ceilings of the cathedrals. Other had some arthritis or something similar to that. Yeah, but I guess every profession has its problems. And many artists were poisoned in the end of their life because they were using oil paints. How do I translate it in English? Cinque belila. They were using this, and this was the reason why many of them. So yeah, let's end the video on this positive note. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in next videos. Bye.